Hello everyone, welcome to Study Facilitator. In this video, we are going to learn and write the common proverbs in English. First one, knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Second one, self help is the best help. Self help is the best help. And next one, empty vessels make much noise. Empty vessels make much noise. Next one. Haste makes waste. Haste makes waste. Next one. All that glitters is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. Next one. A friend in need is a friend in deed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Next one. Birds of same feather flock together. Birds of same feather flock together. Next one. A bad workman always blames his tools. A bad workman always blames his tools. Next one. Tit for tat. Next one. Many a slip between the cup and the lip. Many a slip between the cup and the lip. Next one. Diamond cuts diamond. Diamond cuts diamond. And next one. Blood is thicker than water. Next one. Barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. Next one. Too much of anything for nothing. Too much of anything for nothing. Next one. Money makes many things. Money makes many things. Next one, look before you leap. Look before you leap. Next one, man proposes, God disposes. Man proposes, God disposes. Next one, do in Rome as Romans do. Do in Rome as Romans do. Adding fuel to the fire. Next one, a honey tongue and a heart of gold. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.